Now this should be a really quick video, I guess. Has to do with the knobs here for the HVAC controls. And I found these, just sort of came across them by accident. And you can find them on Amazon or eBay. So I thought I'd give them a try. And the reviews are all pretty positive. And I thought it'd be kind of a nice look. I wasn't a huge fan of the dial and the kind of the place you have to grab here. So let's see what these are. They're clear plastic, so you can see that. But this outside actually feels like metal. It's knurled and feels pretty heavy duty. It has a decent amount of weight to it. So the idea is you're just supposed to be able to pop off the old ones and put on these new ones. So I'm going to take my dials here and I'll set them all just all the way down there to as far as they go this way. And then you're just supposed to be able to take them and pull them off like this. At least that's what the instructions say. Gonna grab a little bit here. Not coming off so far. Now this one just pulled right off. So that's hopeful, I guess. And I'll just try putting this one on. Of course, there's the little notch in there to make it work right where it's supposed to go on this stem or axle of this switch. So I've got to put it on, make sure it's pointed down where it should go. There. So that one pressed right on. And feels pretty nice there. Going around. Let's try this one. Okay, this one I was able to pull off eventually. It didn't take too much, just a little pulling. It's got a bit of well, kind of some goo there on the stem. Maybe that's designed to help hold things on. And so we'll get this on here. Okay, got that one on. And there's the last one on. Again, I just took a little bit of pulling and got this one on. So all three of them are on. Look nice. They feel nice and sturdy. It's a nice look. I've read some complaints that people were wanting one for the four-wheel drive switch here. I actually like having a different type of knob for the climate controls, so that it doesn't, they don't look like the four-wheel drive. This is a different type of function here. Of course, I would really prefer to have a real, lever to shift, right down here, back in the old days where it was just a mechanical connection. So there those are, and if I turn on the lights, you can see the lights come on here. So there's the orange coming through. And, I think I'll be able to, certainly tell where they are. I read one complaint about not being able to see from the top, but of course right there's the little notch that shows you the position. And it's got that clear piece that is going to stay lit. So I think it's going to be obvious enough to see where they are, and they have a nice feel. I like the knurled side there where you grab it. Again, just to make it look a little bit different. And here's the original ones, and you just have the little lighted arrow right there. And I guess there's a bit of orange underneath, so that the light from underneath makes it look a little more orange, um, like like the orange lights that are here on the Tacoma. But still, it's fairly orange looking right there. So um, I'm gonna say definitely worth it. They're around $10, so not bad. Just so you know, you pull the old ones off, you pull the new ones on, and they've got a really nice sturdy feel. The look is good, so I'm gonna give these my thumbs up. Here's just a quick clip fully at night. So it's all dark here, and these are the lights on, so you can see the interior lights inside. There's the really, sort of dark orange of the controls, and the sort of a lighter orange of these new knobs. So they don't match up completely, but it's certainly easy to see where they are. And I wonder if it would be possible to somehow tint the inside to make it a bit more orange to match. But at any rate, they do look nice. They match a little bit better than what this video footage is showing. So definitely worthwhile items to upgrade your knobs.